What's a KMB?
KMD? I have no idea what that is.
Ken Killos or Callis put a tweet up.
Alright, we're gonna go real hot, boys. Alright? We
All
all
you
have
need
to
me to
land,
step it up?
all land right by orange, alright? We're gonna
Alright.
It's very important that we land together because there's gonna be people everywhere and we gotta team.
Okay. Alright. So do we jump now?
As soon as you can, yes. Hit now,
Okay.
now. Alright. Go straight down onto the orange, into that.
Yep.
Into literally that building or that building. Either one.
I see movement. Moving here.
Stay close.
How is it?
Supply box identified. Marking location now. Alright.
Leave a gun up. Leave a gun for us. I'm next to you, Rick.
Going
I'm
to
here.
the next
Moving
building.
here.
Okay, looks like there's nobody immediately threat, but
Alright, we're all next to each other.
Cool.
Alright, shotgun, sweet.
Being tracked by an enemy team.
going to the
Stay
next
sharp.
building.
Our squad's being hunted.
You guys can looting that one. Oh, here's a good gun, Brian. This is my
I've got
favorite
an
gun right
SMG.
there. In the next building over. I just pinged it.
Yeah. I know you like this gun.
Yeah, that's my favorite. My favorites.
Where you at? Are you up top?
I'm upstairs, yeah. Right above you.
Okay.
Alright. I'm ready to move over. So we're gonna move
jump?
through this boneyard together. Just loot stuff next to each other, just keep going through. And I think we'll run into people.
Enemy personal radar in the air.
Where are you guys at? You guys are outside.
Gun on LMG.
Yeah.
That LMG is really good. The blue one. I just marked.
Oh, okay, I'll get it.
Next objective
Okay, there's
located.
teams not too far in front of us. Just keep going through this boneyard stuff. That one's
Gun on
good too.
LMG.
Alright, we're all next to each other, sweet. Oh, are we gonna hit this, hit the yellow search bar?
Let's go kill this team first.
Too late?
Yeah. Well, we can get it
Alright.
later. There's definitely teams this way.
Mark out. Moving.
100%. Alright, found a guy.
I see movement.
Broke his armor.
Contact.
Alright, I'm flanking.
Yeah.
I'm going around. I don't know where he's at.
We got him.
One more, bud.
Killed him. His team's here. Oh, nice.
Marked him.
On me.
I don't see him.
Got him. Got them all. Come get their stuff. All right here.
I've got an SMG.
Is there any armor? I need armor.
Yeah. Oh shit, I'm rich. They looted for us.
Found a vendor.
Okay,
Give
we're
me
gonna go
supplies.
back to the shopping cart now. Oh, you scared me.
Oh, what?
We're gonna go back to the shopping cart and buy a loadout now. You guys can get that M4.
Okay.
See, I marked it, the shopping cart green. We're gonna go there.
Yeah.
And then we can also grab the search on the way.
Alright.
Why don't you grab the search, Brian, and I'll
Enemy
take.
personal radar in the
I'll
air.
buy the loadout.
Okay.
Rob, here, take some armor.
Body armor.
And you need to put that on. It's number 4. Put it on. You always want to be full armor.
Objectives updated. Move to the next location.
Found a vendor. Get you supplies.
You evaded the enemy trash. Good
Oh my
work.
god, we're so rich.
On my way.
It's been looted. There might be a team in here. Might be a team around, okay?
Yeah, there is.
I got that guy.
Shit.
I got
I'm
him.
down.
Yeah, down one of them.
Alright.
One of them down.
I'm coming in.
Yeah, I got you.
Left side.
Ground.
Sam, come inside, Brian. You res Brian? You res
Yeah,
Brian?
I'm inside.
Get res Brian, I'll cover.
I've got you.
Cool.
And that gun I had, it sucks from far away.
Careful, there's a guy
I see
there.
movement.
Careful, careful.
Yeah, I see him. I'm gonna go
And a guy,
around
and a
flank.
guy
I
there
see
too.
movement.
Yeah, I'm going
Oh
flank.
shit.
Enemy personal radar
He's
in.
in.
The air.
Grid mark. Hit them now.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Contact.
One down. I got them all. I got them all.
myself over here.
Down
They're
target.
dead.
Alright.
I killed one with a precision strike, and then the last dude I just shot.
Oh, nice. Alright, what should I get from the loadout?
You should gonna get loadout number 1. Here, that's your loadout. Oh, you guy, you guy.
Primary
Right there, right there.
All supply boxes found.
Behind me, behind me, behind me.
Look at the minimap. Look at your minimap. He's right there. He's looking at me. You guys can kill him now. He's right here.
I
Right
see
there.
movement.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right there. Go, go, kill him. He's looking at me. Get him, get him, get him. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Oh shit, I don't see him. Oh shit,
What you mean?
he moved.
He's right there, bro. Let's
Yeah,
go.
he's
Let's go,
down.
Rob. Let's get him.
I've got you.
Oh, behind you, Rob, behind you, Rob.
Taking fire.
Damn, I got down again. Fucking.
That guy's 1 HP. 1 HP. I got him. I got him.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go.
Rob, can you come get me again?
Yeah. Okay, here's the loadout.
I've got you.
Right next to you guys, okay?
Loadout drop on the way.
Alright, okay. There's a guy parachuting down.
Where? Great, grab your loadout number 1 now.
Is it here?
Yeah. That's right there.
Alright,
Tracker
got
spotted.
it. Let's go.
Put on some armor.
I don't have any. I need some.
There's some off the
moving.
dead body in here that I killed.
Inside or outside?
In here in the orange marker. Up here, I
Okay.
believe. Because I killed this guy.
Coming.
Yeah, yeah. There's some armor up here, yeah.
Alright, up top? I'll come.
Yeah. You have 0? I'll drop you
I have
more.
0.
Okay, I dropped you 3.
What do you
Where'd you go? Very good.
Does it show you? Oh, I got.
Oh no, I don't want that. Okay.
So y'all have your M4 now that you made custom, right?
Yeah.
Okay, come here and buy a
Found a
UAV.
vendor. Get you supplies.
Both you guys.
Alright, give me a second.
And buy more armor, Brian, for yourself too.
Yeah.
Does anyone need this?
Alright, so you gave me an armor. Oh, I'm getting shot at. I'm getting shot at. Gosh, damn it. Couldn't make it. What do you got?
They're in the tower here. I just
Enemy!
marked them. One just
Oh,
killed himself.
shit.
One
Alright.
killed himself.
No.
They're in the tower here.
I see
Alright, can someone come get me? Can someone come get me real quick? Rob?
I got him. I got him.
I'm here. Get ready to
Rob,
move.
you saw where I marked, right?
Yep.
Killed one of them.
Alright, I need to buy, I want to buy something real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna make my way there. We can go kill them. They're trash. We can kill them.
Alright, they're trapped. I'm coming.
No, they're trash. I said.
Oh. Are they inside or outside?
We killed one. They're rezzing and stuff. Keep going.
Common actual. Send recon.
Oh, they're ghosts.
UAV
Okay.
entering the AO.
They're inside the fire station here.
I see movement.
Okay.
We gotta push together.
They might be up top.
All right, you guys lead, so you can take the hits and I can kill them.
Alright.
Going to
We shall sacrifice ourselves.
Oh, I think they're dead. They're all dead. They're all dead.
But
Friendly loadout drop on the
Here,
way.
armor,
what the heck?
please.
How?
Body armor.
Be advised.
There's a guy in here
there's one more?
somewhere.
There's one.
On me. He's right here. On me.
I see movement.
Alright,
door.
well, we're stuck upstairs. Coming down.
Get to the new safe zone.
We have the UAV still?
damn.
Or no? Where'd he go?
I got him. I got him.
Did
He's
he-
dead. He's dead. Bunch of stuff in here to loot. Look.
I see movement. Found a sniper rifle. I
Got
see
all the shit.
movement.
Loot.
Yeah, I'm coming up. I need to get. I need a freaking
Alright,
armor
shoot
again.
deck now.
Oh no.
What?
I dropped my gun.
Grab one of their guns. It's probably better than yours because you're just not leveled anyways.
Okay.
Oh! What a shot!
What happened?
Help, 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 outside!
Coming. Flanking.
Shit, there's 2 of them. 3 of them.
One down,
already?
one down.
Got hit with a-
I got one. They're rezzing. Two down.
I'm coming. I'm flanking. Where are they
Down.
at, Rick?
All dead, all dead,
I hit him twice.
all dead.
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
Sorry,
Providing
Brian.
some redeployment.
No, I think Rob died. I'm good.
Oh.
Be advised, your teammates
Damn
got
it.
their ass
We're gonna res you, okay?
Their RTB at gas is inbound.
Yo, I sniped something in a helicopter like a million miles away. I'm gonna record that shit.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, gas coming or what?
Buy another UAV, buy if you haven't used it yet, buy everything.
Okay,
Whatever you
we're
need.
inside.
Yeah,
Scan
where
for
is it at?
movement.
Okay, we get the UAV.
Rob, come down and get some guns from the guys we just killed. Right here. They're
He's
right
here.
Got an LMG.
Here's all their shit right here.
I've got an SMG.
Which one of those is good? Or really good?
Anything that says custom is gonna be good because that's their custom guns. Like those are the pink ones.
Ones, okay. Not purple,
Bro,
right?
I can't wait to freaking record that or put that shit up. That was amazing. Alright. You guys ready to keep moving? All good?
Yeah.
Armor up. You need me to buy you some?
No, I got some. I have 5.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oh, yeah, 5.
You mean purple's custom, right?
Somebody
No,
drive.
no.
Disregard
Pink is
last.
custom. Purple's
Okay.
just epic. We're gonna keep moving. What about you, Rob? You need armor? Okay. Brian, buy him some armor.
I have a 4 underneath my armor.
Rob, I got a bunch of armor right here. Here, I'll drop it.
4 is the button that you press to use it. That doesn't mean you necessarily have 4 of them.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Yeah. Now it says 1 or whatever. Now you have 1 above 4. Go loot that box and then I'll get this bounty.
Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard.
Are we gonna chase them?
Yeah. Just
Or is that
grab
too
this
far?
box.
Alright, are we gonna drive then or no?
Nah.
Or no?
No. Oh, this is a really good gun.
Signs of research. I've got an SMG.
Not sure how happy with
What
yours.
color?
It's a blue Pierce, blue M7.
It's upstairs, huh? Whatever.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Let's move. We're gonna move forward.
I'm moving.
Enemy UAV overhead.
So we're trying to get in the zone because we're out of the zone, and we're gonna try and kill these guys on the way in. Bounty.
Okay.
Mark out. Moving.
I'm gonna pop a UAV.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Okay, team
I'm moving.
there. Open your map when the UAVs pop. You can see where everybody's at.
Oh wow, I didn't know that. There's no one close though.
Well, these guys are semi-close. That's like 100 meters.
I'm moving.
Oh yeah. Well,
It's 200 meters. All right, so we're gonna go over this hill and
Be
snipe.
advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
You know,
resupply.
snipers.
Going this way.
oh.
Yeah, we're running right into them. See him right here at the top of the
Should I
hill?
throw another UAV?
Down one.
Should I throw another UAV?
I downed one.
Man, you're
Right
shooting
there.
so far away. Okay,
Yeah, the right ping.
I'm coming. I'm sliding down.
Oh, new guys over here.
I see movement.
Down another one over here.
Wait, cancel. Contact.
Where's
Yeah.
over here?
Left ping. Look to the left. Up there. That.
Yeah, I see him.
I hit him.
Get to the safe
Alright,
zone.
there's one more upstairs. Up there.
Eliminated
Oh,
one.
Well done.
nice. I think that was a bounty guy, right?
Yep.
Alright, I'm going up.
Fuck. Okay, I don't know if we can climb this shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'm gonna use the
Right
UAV.
behind- Yeah,
UAV
good call, good
overhead.
call. I'm right behind you,
Mark
Rob.
out
Go ahead.
moving.
Oh, those are 6 snipes, dude. Rushing these guys.
I'm getting shot at. How come they didn't show up with my UAV? He was right next to me.
He's ghost.
Oh.
Rob, help.
There's a guy, no, there's a guy right here. There's a guy right here. He's
Ping,
waiting
ping,
for someone to come save
Ping
me.
him.
Oh, okay.
Hit him.
Enemies!
He's low.
What? No, I'm dead.
He's running
I'm in
from us.
Gulag.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag.
I got him. He's down.
Nice.
His team's
I'll
gonna be
try.
around.
I'll try to win this.
Go end him. Rob, go end him. Go end him. Finish him.
Your teammate.
Oh, I lost
Jump,
Gulag
jump.
so quick.
Okay, keep running. We gotta get in the zone. Look at the gas on your mini-map approaching. Gotta keep running.
Just running towards it.
Alright.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Okay, there's gonna be guys to our left when we cross the street, most likely. Brian, I'm gonna bump you in.
Yeah.
I have 15 kills.
Oh shit.
You have 15?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I have 0.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Okay.
Enemy
Rob, make your way to
personal
that buy
radar in the air.
station. I'm gonna use you as. Oh,
There's a guy
yeah,
in there.
those guys just past the buy station. Orange
Going
marker,
this way.
80 meters.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Go, right here. Oh, they're on top. Okay, buy. I'm gonna buy Brian. I put a UAV on the ground.
How do I do it?
I bought him in already.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so plan is. Let's see these guys.
Was there guns out there?
They're up there. Careful. Oh, they see us. They see us. They know we're down here. No, there's no guns
UAV
here.
overhead.
Going up the ladder.
Enemy
Oh,
UAV overhead.
okay, good luck, dude.
Gas is inbound.
I knew you were gonna die.
Oh, thanks, Rob. I'll take all these weapons.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy.
Oh, I'm dead.
Taking fire.
They're shooting for me
I
up
got
on
him.
the top brick.
I killed him. I killed him.
I'm here. Yes.
Nice.
Good effect on
I
target.
killed
You
him.
reviving me?
Yeah.
Okay,
I killed him
got
with
you.
precision strike.
Oh. Sick. All of them?
Yeah. Take their guns. We gotta keep moving.
Yeah.
Shit, I can't afford Rob.
Can I? No, shit.
Here's a gas mask. You wanna grab that?
Guys to the
Anyone need
left.
this?
Oh, give me your money. Drop your money. Drop your
I'll
money.
lay down.
Drop your money quick. Quick.
Okay, okay,
Friendly UAV overhead.
Hurry.
drop all. Okay, there we go.
Okay, Rob, you're in.
Yep.
Alright, we gotta keep moving.
Okay.
Does anyone need this?
Guys on our left. I
I see
think I just saw
movement.
somebody there.
Yeah, and right.
Okay.
I'm going
Yeah,
to the
right
right.
front, one's on the right.
He's running away.
Target identified.
He's running away, so I'm just letting him go. So I don't want to go
I'm
for
hitting him.
position.
Broke armor. One lit. They're both
Oh,
lit.
damn it.
Yeah, they're in that fire station.
Drop right next.
Yeah, they are. I just got shot. I don't know where.
I don't know where either. I think on the left.
Okay, well, they can.
This guy's in there.
I see
Alright,
movement.
alright, come get me, Rick. Oh, I'm not dead. Sorry, I thought I was dead. Alright, let's get
Down one?
armor. Oh,
Down inside the fire truck.
gas.
No, we're fine.
Gas.
No, we're fine, bro. No gas.
Okay, well then who shot me? Someone shot me. Oh, they're in that car.
That's a kill. Victory rests on your shoulders.
There's a guy in the church still. You didn't kill him, bro.
Hit us hard that time. We'll settle the score.
Yeah, I was like, what are you...